All right, you guys, welcome back to another Dollar General. This is the 5 off of 25 for September the 17th. That's this Saturday, September the 17th at Dollar General for the 5 off of 25. Remember, download all the digital coupons, get your total $25, enter your number at the register, and watch your total drop. Remember, I'm all about you guys getting what items that your household needs, okay? So you might not need a few of these items, but you might want to switch them out with other items that have coupons on the app. Just make sure you get what your household needs. This just gives you a roundabout idea of how to do breakdowns for Dollar General, the 5 off of 25. So the first item you're going to want to pick up is one Gain 14 count flings, and they are $4.50 with a $1 off coupon. Then you're going to want to pick up one Gain liquid detergent 46 ounce for $5.50 with a $1 off coupon. You're going to want to pick up one Febreze Air Effect 8 ounce for $4 with a $2 off coupon. And then you're going to want to pick up one Febreze Air Berry or whatever scent you would like, 8 ounce for $3.25 with a $1 off coupon. And lastly, you want to pick up two Colgate Optic White toothpaste, the 4.2 ounce, and that would be two for $8.70, and there's a $4 off coupon. So your total is $25.95. Then you're going to want to subtract that $9 in coupons, which brings you down to $16.95. Then after your 5 off of 25 comes off, you're only going to be paying $11.95 out of pocket for all of these laundry and toothpaste deal. So all these laundry items and some toothpaste for $11.95 out of pocket plus tax. If we wanted to break this down a little more, it's only going to be $1.99 per item. That's $1.99 for each of these items listed right here. Remember to clip your digitals and also make sure you clip that 5 off of 25 coupon. Get your total to $25. Like I said, enter your number at the register and watch your total drop. $11.95. And here you will find all the coupons that is needed for this deal. The 5 off of 25 coupon, the $1 off of Febreze, the $4 off of Colgate, the $2 off of Febreze Air Effect Ocean Scent, the $1 off of Gain Liquid, and the $1 off of Gain 14 count flings. Happy couponing.